years ago when they were in the contest, and I lost track of the songs they were on. I think I jumped out on their second song thinking it was the end of the third, and I'll never forget the look on Tony's face and also what went through my mind. You looked like you got something to say about it.
Well, it was one of those things where you're like, well, I guess they just don't tell you if you're horrible, he'll just jump in on you. Well, that's enough from them. Good night, everybody.
It's kind of like getting the sheep hook. Now, I didn't mean to do that. This time I'm going to count them and keep better track. Here we are from Eaton, Indiana. How about it for Blue Mafia?
If you